If you're wondering how is it that people can earn 10K a month, I'm gonna let you know how easy it is. Hello, business owners. I'm Victoria, your virtual event strategist. So if you're new to the page, welcome. And I'm here today just to let you guys know that if you haven't seen me on social media in a while, it's because I have really acknowledged a new strategy that helps me attract clients on autopilot. If you want to know how, keep listening. So where have I been and what have I been up to? I've been hosting virtual events. And if you guys are not familiar with what virtual events are, I'm going to let you know that it's the number one way to generate high quality leads and convert high ticket sales. If you're wondering how is it that people can earn 10K a month, I'm going to let you know how easy it is. You have a high ticket offer, a signature program. As long as you're charging a minimum of $2,500, you only need 4 high ticket sales a month to earn 10K. All right. If you're wondering how I do this, stick around because I'm going to share some tips so you can start hosting your very own virtual events.
3, 2, 1.
So tip number 1 is define your purpose. What is the purpose that you have to even host a virtual event? You're a business owner, you want sales, or is it that you just want to grow your email list? Some of you guys want to do virtual events for brand awareness, to build community. First step in starting this process is to define your purpose. That's going to take you to the next step in starting and hosting your virtual event. So tip number 2 is to choose the right type of virtual event that fits your business model. So when it comes to virtual events, there are many different types of events that you can host, from 3-day challenges to webinars, live workshops. You can even be a part of a bundle event or a contributor to an online giveaway. Whichever type of event that you want to host, it's clear that you need to find out what type aligns best with your business, your brand, and one that really resonates with your target audience. All right, so now we're on tip 3. This is where we determine our desired outcome. Okay, so you are planning a virtual event. You want to set the goals that you wish to achieve for your virtual event. Question 1, how many attendees do you want to show up for this event? How many applications do you want this to lead to for your signature program? How much money do you want to make in sales? And how many clients do you need to achieve your income goal? These are some of the questions that you really need to know and ask yourself to get to the desired outcome that you want to achieve. All right, so we're at tip number 4. You already have a signature offer, or maybe you don't, but what we need to do in this step is to really refine and craft that signature offer, making sure that you are giving the value that your ideal clients actually want. Find out what value are you providing, what are the benefits, what's in it for your client. Then what you want to do is really take time and think about what is the main problem that you're solving for them, okay? And also make this offer compelling, relevant to everything that you know your target audience needs and wants, and watch it sales thunder. Tip 5 is all about choosing the right virtual event platform. You want a platform that's going to fit your needs when hosting your virtual event. So whether it's a platform like Zoom, GoToWebinar, Webinar Jam, all these platforms have the features and capabilities designed to deliver a seamless experience for you. All you need to do is try to test out the tools and tech to see which one fits best for your needs. All right, so tip 6, now that you've already planned out your virtual event and you already picked out the platform that you wish to host on, now it's time to plan out a great, irresistible experience for your virtual event. You want to build excitement and anticipation for this event. You also want to plan out some engaging things that you can do, such as icebreakers, engaging activities, interactions throughout the way. And before this event even happens, you want to make sure that you have some teasers, some behind the scenes footage, anything that's going to pique excitement for your audience to participate and want to show up. Then you're on to a bright start with your virtual event.